Want a more reliable live stream? Here's how to connect vMix to Dacast using SRT in less than a minute. SRT delivers a more stable and resilient stream, especially on unpredictable internet connections. First, log into your Dacast account. Open Live Streams. Select the live stream you want to configure. Click Encoder Setup. Choose the SRT tab. Copy the generated SRT URL. Next, let's switch to vMix. Open Settings, then navigate to Outputs, NDI, and SRT. Click the gear icon to open the SRT Output settings. Enable SRT, then enter the server address, the port number, and the stream ID from your Dacast SRT URL. Click OK to save your settings. And that's it. Your vMix encoder is now connected to Dacast using SRT, giving you a more reliable live streaming connection. Ready to try it yourself? Start your free 14-day Dacast trial today.